In this video we want to split one of the faces and then split the edges in order to apply a load. So we're going to maybe go and look at it solid. We want to use the sketching tool, and but first we want to create a plane, and the plane will be defined by a face, and that face will be this face here. Generate that plane. On that plane we want to create a sketch of a line, and this is where we want to apply the load. So if it's 75% of the length, maybe that goes right here. The V means a vertical. So we have a sketch now. What we want is to use the tool face split to pick this face and this tool, which is an edge, and generate. So we now can hide the sketch, and we've got a new edge for that face right there. Now we need to break that edge into shorter pieces, so we're going to use split edge, pick that, and split by location, split by fraction, and 0.05 on that edge, sorry, on this new edge, and generate. So we also want to split that same edge piece that's remaining, and 0.95, and generate. So now we have two new short edges that we can use in the model to apply loads. So we'll close Design Modeler, and in Mechanical, right click, Update Geometry from Source, and now there's some new edges. There's the new edge there, and what we might do is, for example, pick the distributed mass, and the 6 edges that were there. We'll now use this edge and this edge. So now the entire mass is being shared by those 2 edges. We probably want 8 edges instead of 2, but for a demonstration that's sufficient. The split may have compromised some of the edge mesh connections, so we will just detect connections fresh, and we can generate the mesh. And generate the connections. And solve the model. The force, let's press the force and solve. So there's an excessive amount of deformation because we're putting all the load on 2 places instead of 8, but that's a sufficient demonstration to get the idea.